Yeah, so if you apply for finance, then it's not really a problem. It doesn't affect your score, whether you're approved or declined, right? It's only if, because they don't update it and say this wasn't approved, right? They just show that you've applied. It only starts to
Yeah.
reduce your score if you keep applying elsewhere. And this is really important because some people who come from migrants that come to Australia and in their countries, that's how they get finance. They go around to different banks and they try to negotiate their rates, and then they apply for loans because a bank is not going to give you an interest rate unless you apply. So sometimes people don't realize that by talking to a banker or checking for rates online, that they're actually applying for a loan. And that leaves a mark on their credit file. And if they do that 3-4 times in a week or in a month, their score is going to drop significantly. So it's important to not apply for loans. So working with a mortgage broker like myself, I will actually check your file, do an assessment on it. And I used to work for a bank, so I used to do credit assessments on behalf of the bank. So I know what they look for. That's why I can answer all of these questions. So I do my assessment first without putting any application forward. So if I need to do a credit check, it doesn't impact the file like the credit file like it's an actual application. It's just to see it. And then I can send a copy to my customers and they can have a look at it as well. It doesn't cost them anything. But I only obviously do it sometimes if it's required, but I don't always do credit checks because sometimes they don't need to do them.